Hello friends! Today we're going to learn about okra, which is a very nutritious and delicious vegetable. Many of you must love eating okra, and some of you might even make faces at it. But friends, you'll be amazed to know the benefits of okra. In this video, we will talk about the history of okra, its nutrition, and the vitamins and minerals found in it. So, let's begin this fun journey of okra. Friends, did you know that okra, which we see on our plates every day, has actually been around for thousands of years? This green vegetable, which we lovingly call ladyfinger, has a very interesting and ancient history. Yes, okra is very old. It is believed that okra was first grown in Ethiopia or West Africa. People there used to include it in their diet and benefit from its nutrients. Imagine, friends, thousands of years ago, in the lush green forests of Africa, where lions and elephants roamed, grew this small, green okra. People there used to include it in their diet and benefit from its nutrients. People at that time used to eat okra because of its properties, as it gave them strength. Okra contains nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, which keep the body healthy. Gradually, with traders and travelers, okra moved out of Africa and reached Central Asia, India, and other warm places in the world. Traders carried it with them and spread it to different countries. Think, friends, what a fun journey okra must have had. Crossing the storms of the sea, the heat of the desert, and different cultures, okra spread all over the world. It was cooked and eaten in different ways everywhere. Today, okra is eaten all over the world. It is known by different names in every country and is cooked in different ways. In India, a meal without okra is incomplete. Here it is cooked in many ways, such as okra curry, okra masala, and okra fry. There are many types of okra dishes, such as okra curry, okra masala, okra fry, and many more. It is cooked in different ways in every home, and everyone has their own special way. Okra masala, okra fry, and much more. Apart from this, okra is also used in soups, salads, and even pickles. The history of okra tells us how even a small vegetable can become famous all over the world on the strength of its qualities. Its nutrients and taste have made it popular everywhere. So next time you eat okra, remember this amazing journey and enjoy it. Friends, now let's talk about the nutrition of okra. You must be wondering what's so special about this small, sticky okra. Well, friends, you will be surprised to know that okra is very powerful. Okra is very low in calories, but it is full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 100 grams of okra contains only 33 calories, which makes it great for those trying to lose weight. But friends, low calories doesn't mean there's nothing in okra. In 100 grams of okra, you get 7 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of protein, and 0.2 grams of fat. The most important thing in okra is its fiber. 100 grams of okra contains 3.2 grams of fiber, which keeps our stomach clean. Fiber prevents constipation and keeps us full for a long time. So friends, if you want a healthy and fit body, then definitely include okra in your diet. Chapter 3. Okra's Vitamins and Minerals. A powerhouse of health. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is an important part of our diet. Friends, so far we have learned about the history of okra and its nutrition. Okra has been used since ancient times and is popular in many cultures. Now let's talk about the powerful vitamins and minerals hidden in okra that make it a powerhouse of health. The nutrients found in okra are extremely beneficial for our body. Okra is rich in vitamins and minerals. It contains many types of vitamins and minerals that are essential for our health. It contains vitamin A, which improves our vision and keeps our skin healthy. Vitamin C, which boosts our immunity and protects us from diseases. Vitamin B6, which is important for the development and functioning of our brain. Vitamin K, which helps in our blood clotting process. Folate, which is extremely essential for pregnant women. Calcium, which strengthens our bones. Iron, which maintains the level of hemoglobin in our blood. Potassium, which maintains the fluid balance in our body. Important nutrients like magnesium are found, which are essential for various functions of our body. Vitamin C is found in the highest quantity in okra. 100 grams of okra contains about 38% vitamin C, which protects our body and keeps us from getting sick. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant for our body. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects our body from diseases. It strengthens our immune system and keeps us healthy. Apart from this, vitamin A is also found in good quantity in okra, which is very important for our eyes and skin. Vitamin A improves our vision and keeps our skin healthy, which is very important for our eyes and skin. Vitamin A protects against diseases like night blindness. Vitamin A protects against diseases like night blindness. It improves our vision and keeps our skin healthy. Folate present in okra is very important for pregnant women. Folate is very important for their unborn child. Folate is very important for their unborn child. It is extremely essential for pregnant women. Minerals like calcium and magnesium strengthen our bones. These minerals keep our bones strong and healthy. So friends, you must have understood that okra is not an ordinary vegetable, but a treasure of health. Include it in your diet and enjoy its amazing benefits. But a treasure of health. Include okra in your daily diet and enjoy its amazing benefits. It is not only delicious, but also very beneficial for our health. Chapter 4. Benefits of okra. Eat every day, stay healthy. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is a wonderful vegetable for our health. Friends, by now you have learned a lot about okra. But do you know how much positive impact it can have on your health by eating it regularly? Now let's know what are the benefits of eating okra for our body. It not only nourishes our body, but also protects us from many diseases. First of all, let's talk about digestion. The fiber present in okra helps in keeping our digestive system healthy. The fiber present in okra helps in digesting our food and provides relief from constipation. It keeps our intestines clean and makes the digestive process smooth. If you have a complaint of constipation, then definitely eat okra. It will strengthen your digestive system and make you feel lighter. Okra also helps in controlling sugar levels. It is very beneficial for diabetic patients. The fiber present in it keeps the blood sugar level under control. It slows down the absorption of sugar and prevents blood sugar spikes. Okra also protects our body and prevents us from getting sick. It boosts our immunity and keeps us healthy. The vitamin C and antioxidants present in it help the body fight diseases. They protect our body from free radicals and keep us healthy. Okra is also very good for our skin and eyes. It makes our skin glowing and healthy. The vitamin A and antioxidants present in it keep the skin healthy and improve eyesight. It keeps our skin young and improves eye health. Calcium and magnesium present in okra strengthen bones. It keeps our bones strong and healthy. Okra is also very beneficial for pregnant women. It provides essential nutrients for their health and the health of their unborn child. Folate present in it is very important for their unborn child. It helps in the development of the child and maintains the health of both mother and child during pregnancy. So friends, you have seen there are so many benefits of eating okra. Include it in your daily diet and enjoy a healthy life. Okra can be cooked in a variety of ways, so you'll never get bored with it. Outro. Okra. A confluence of taste and health. Friends, hope you liked this information about okra. Okra is not only delicious to eat, but also very beneficial for health. If you liked this video, please like and share it. And yes, do tell us in the comments which okra recipe you like the most. See you in the next video with another new piece of information. Thank you.